Could there be a connection between dark energy and antiparticles? It seems so. But first, it's worth noting that astronomers predict the universe is composed of 69% dark energy, which drives the acceleration of its expansion. On the other hand, we still don't know where the antiparticles formed at the beginning of the universe are. These two mysteries appear to be connected, as proposed by the astrophysicist André Bonaventura. The calculations are simple. The Brazilian astrophysicist discovered a new equivalence between energy, mass, and electromagnetic charges. Solving the equations, it becomes easy to demonstrate that antiparticles annihilate spontaneously without interacting with their respective particles. Thus, the reason we can't detect antiparticles is explained. They annihilated in the very first moments after the Big Bang. But what about the energy of those antiparticles? Where did it go? According to the law of conservation of energy, it doesn't disappear, it only transforms. In this case, the energy of the antiparticles was transferred to spacetime. For example, consider an antiproton. In the first few minutes after the Big Bang, an enormous number of these antiparticles was created. If all this energy was transferred to spacetime, we just need to multiply these two numbers. The result is surprising. We find a value very close to the dark energy predicted by cosmology. Here, we only consider the energy of the antiproton. If we include the energy of all other antiparticles, the value matches dark energy exactly. Eureka! We've discovered the origin of dark energy, the sum of the energy of all antiparticles. Now, let's take it a step further. According to Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, energy and mass to form spacetime. If the energy is large enough, it can form black holes or white holes. It's still too early to determine what type of hole was created by the annihilation of antiparticles. But one thing is certain, these gigantic objects are evaporating due to Hawking radiation. That's why, only in the last 5 billion years, the evaporation rate has surpassed gravitational forces, explaining why the universe began accelerating during this period. The astrophysicist who uncovered these innovations predicts that once all black holes or white holes evaporate completely, the universe will stop expanding. At that moment, gravitational forces will dominate again, causing the universe to contract until it collapses, forming a new Big Bang. This reveals that the universe is cyclical. What do you think about this idea? I'll leave a link in the comments to the astrophysicist's free book and the article where he explains his theory in detail. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share. See you next time.